So, was Darth Plagueis really the ultimate midi-chlorian god everyone makes him out to be? Or are we giving him way too much credit? Let's talk about what actually makes Plagueis different, and why that difference gets wildly exaggerated. Here's the truth. Plagueis wasn't special because he accessed some secret force ability no one had ever touched. He was special because he approached the Force like an atheist scientist, not a mystic. He broke it down, studied it, experimented on it, while the ancient Sith were busy hurling lightning, draining armies, resurrecting bodies, and swapping souls. Plagueis was the one guy in the galaxy taking notes like a biologist. And yes, he could do flashy things, rejuvenate himself, manipulate his own cells, and even mess with pregnancies in animals. Impressive? Absolutely. Unique? Not really. The ancient Sith could have done the same sort of thing, they just didn't care. Why? Because when you're constantly fighting Jedi, rival Sith, uprisings, rebellions, and civil wars every century, slow, delicate experiments aren't exactly top priority. Trying to make yourself immortal by politely whispering to your own cells is pointless when someone might stab you tomorrow. These guys wanted power right now, not in 10 years. So they used drain, sorcery, alchemy, spirit transfer, the fast, brutal tools that kept them alive in actual warfare. You know, the stuff that turns people to ash, puppets, corpses, or lets you hop into a new body when your old one gets wrecked. And if you want an extreme example, look at Vitiate. He didn't just make himself immortal, he shared his immortality with others. Yes, group immortality. But no, he didn't need a microscope to do it. Plagueis simply had what the ancient Sith didn't. Peace, privacy, technology, and a galaxy not trying to kill him every 10 minutes. He had the luxury of treating the Force like a science lab instead of a battlefield. And here's the last bit people never want to admit. Immortality is not the same as invincibility. Plagueis could manipulate life itself and still die the old-fashioned way, poisoned and backstabbed in his sleep by his own apprentice, Darth Sidious. So yes, Plagueis was brilliant, but overrated? Oh, absolutely. He didn't break the rules of the Force. He just studied them more politely than his predecessors did.